My people, how una dey? I believe say una dey kulele, full ground berekete. Yes, so Jomalusi blood don land again gidigba with them ogbonge tori dem. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening o. Una don subscribe to this our YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, abeg help us. Click on the subscribe button, like and share to your family and friends dem. Even if say you don't subscribe, just like am, share am to your ogbonge family and friends them so that they themselves go dey get our ogbonge tori them. Yes, so as e dey hot, una know say plenty things don dey happen for we country Nigeria sake of say hardship sef don become our our companion. Yes, so as e dey hot, una know the latest now wey dey for ground be say fuel scarcity don hit the nation. Across the country, everybody dey vex anyhow. In fact, as e dey hot, security sef dey vestment anyhow. As kasala sef don burst for we country. Yes, serious gbege shele for Ibadan, Oyo State, wey security dem hey Jesus, as e dey hot, plenty things. Men dey vex, women dey vex, including children sef dey vex. As e dey hot now, as the tori shele for we domot. In fact, the tori shele for Mokola for inside Ibadan. The tori sef happen today. Na so e happen through way for we domot. Na so we come catapult fire the tori for here. Make una know wetin dey shele. Yes, na so the security men wey dey for Etisalat company, na so they themselves dey vestment sake of say fuel no dey, diesel sef no dey. In fact, everything don cost. Na so they themselves na so dem thief a whole whooping 200 liters of diesel. Dem thief am comot for the generator wey dey themselves dey vestment. Dey even, you know say security people dem suppose protect life and property. Na dem come dey steal the property. Na so kasala burst, dem come steal 200 liters of diesel comot for the generator wey dem dey supervise. As dem thief am finish, the tori e no end there o. Dem thief whooping 200 liters finish. Na so dem come carry 200 liters of water pour am for inside the generator. E shock you abi? Na so the tori happen. Abeg, our mumu don do for this country. In fact, the thing wey go help us for this country now as e dey hot so, and our weapon na wetin? Na PVC. Wetin I talk? PVC. Me sef, I don get PVC sef. Okay now, no wahala. Make una help us get our PVC. Help me buy garri o. Go messiano o dabo. Subscribe. Bye bye yo.